Yo, what's going on? Yo, how you guys doing out there, man? I just did a live stream. I don't know what happened to the video, so I'm just doing something really quick for the people that didn't watch it or whatever. But just wanted to tell you guys what's been going on. The lows that I've been doing. A lot of companies are closed down, so basically we're shut down. Some of them ain't gonna be open for a couple of weeks. So I was gonna, take I was gonna take 2 weeks off or whatever, let everything calm down or whatever. But then, a couple agents called me up, and the load was pretty good, so I did it. I mean, I had a load going from New Jersey, which I mentioned on my live stream, New Jersey to Syracuse, Rochester, Buffalo. Uh, After everything all said and done, it was $1,765. I had $115 in fee surcharge, $150 in stops, and like I think $50 in tolls. And it was 450 miles, so it was about $198 in fuel that I had to spend. But I got the money from the fee surcharge, and then when you go to the TA truck stop and you get fuel there, you get a good discount. So, I mean, it was good load. I mean, for like a day, and I say like a day and like not even a day and a half, because when I finished that load, I brought a load back to New Jersey, paying there was 1300 around there, and got it off this morning. I'm waiting for to do another load this weekend. Going to New York, and it's gonna be paying I think $1,500, $1,600, and it's a drop and hook place, so it's not that bad. It's pretty good. But I just want to show you different locations, so I'm gonna just do it like this real quick. I'm gonna just do the west side, and I'm gonna just put down to see if they got any crazy lows here or whatever. But uh, there is a lot of lows on the board, and please, if you're trying to come to Landstar, don't think this is like this every day. I mean, it's 50,000 loads on the board because there's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of places are closed down, and they're short drivers and stuff like that, or there's a lot of places that's open and they need more drivers, but a lot of people, could be sick or whatever. So it's just it sucks. It sucks real bad. This virus is really destroying a lot of stuff here, closing a lot of business and stuff like that. So I just hope this stuff just passes by, man. I'm tired of this stuff, yo. I've been going shopping. I'll go shopping. I wear gloves and masks. I'll be going to my deliveries the same way too, because I don't want to get this, and I don't want my family to get this neither. So let me do a quick video real quick and to show you guys, if the lows even popping or not. But I mean, they've been doing okay. Now these are I just put down I just put down over $4 a mile to see if anything pop up, and these are some of the rates here. I mean, you could tell it's like this because there's probably not a lot of drivers in the area, and they probably got so much freight going out that this is competition. You know what I'm saying? If let's say if Tracy, California, have like 10 trailers of toilet paper, and Sparks, Nevada, have like 10 trailers of toilet paper, I mean, they're gonna raise. That's money right now. They want to raise the rates up just for someone that could book that load, and get to the place before anybody else. But I mean, it kind of sucks that this happens during times like this. I mean, because I've seen people selling sanitizer online for like $200. Like, come on, dude. Like, that kind of stuff pissed me off. Like, there's people out there that need that stuff, and you're gonna try to like get money off of that. Like, that's kind of crazy. But this is just different. I mean, uh, this is just loads they're trying to get off. I mean, to certain places that need it. Like I had a load going to Dunkin' Donuts. I'm not saying this they need it. I mean, I know people got to eat, but I mean it's still food products, so uh, it's paying pretty good. So let's see what else we got. I'm gonna go down to a couple different ones for you guys to see different rates of different locations, and see what's up. I mean, there's a lot of lows here. I mean, and look, you never see these lows like this before. Look at this one: Jasper, Indiana to Lake Forest, Illinois, paying $10 a mile, $2,800. Now let's go to detail, see what it says. One pick, six drops. So it looks like it's six deliveries. Drop and hook, pickup, driver assist to tail, call for detail. So this is a driver assist load, but it's, I mean, come on, it's paying $10 a mile. If you got the energy to do it, it's not a bad load, you know. If it's something that you gotta push to the tail, it's probably something like windows or something like that, or like dressers and stuff like that. But come on, you just take a hand truck or something. I won't do it because I'm just, I'm laid back. You know what I'm saying? I did those for the last 10, 15 years in my LTL company. So I ain't done. I'm trying to do that stuff again. So, but for you new people that want to do that and make the money, go ahead. Now you guys know you guys never see these loans like this before. Columbus, Ohio to Fredericksburg, PA, paying $1,600. Uh, I guess this is just. I don't know what kind of stuff it is. It's consumers goods, appliances. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's microwaves or something. I'm not really sure, but it's paying really good. So, I'll scroll down real quick and a lot of good loads. I mean, a lot of good loads. I mean, the bad thing, it sucks, but the bad thing after all this stuff is done, all this virus is done, it's going to get more busy in this industry because it's just people are going to be short products or people are closed, A lot of big companies are shut down because of this stuff. And once they start opening up, people are going to be buying like crazy. I mean, hope to God, we get through this with no problem, man. Hopefully this is just... it gets better. If it gets worse, we're screwed. You know what I'm saying? So let's do the East Coast because I know there's a lot of stuff going down here. And let's do New England. And now these lows over here got to be going ridiculous. Look, this must be GAO. Okay, GAO. There you go. I mean, matter of fact, my buddy was looking for... Buddy Mouse was looking for something like this, so I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and send it to him. All right, this is the FedEx loads. That's the FedEx loads right there. So, my bad. There you go. Hey, I had a couple comments about, hey, how come you're not putting the fuel? How much you spend on fuel? But I mean, it's so much I could do. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do everything. I mean, the best thing is showing you guys a low board. I mean, that's better than anything. Fuel, you could kind of figure that stuff for yourself. Just calculate. How many miles you gotta go, and what's your rate per mile? I mean, what's your miles per gallon? And how many gallons it's gonna take to get those miles? It's not that hard. So, for 450 miles, it's about 65 gallons, like at 6.5 miles per gallon, and then that equals about. I put the fuel like about $3 or whatever, and then I put the fuel like about $3. And then it gets you the answer. Plus, you get the my bad. You get their future charge too, so that helps out too. So hey, look at this. Newville, PA to Henderson, PA, 111 miles, $1,000. Damn, there's a lot of lows here. Holy smokes! Damn, my bad. I'm sending a screenshot to my boy because he said there's not a lot of lows, but it got some good lows here. Well, this is it, man. I just wanted to. Hopefully, you guys are all good, man. Hopefully, you guys are working and wear gloves. Try to sanitize your hand or soap and water. And see somebody sick, man. Just be careful, man, and be safe out there, yo. Because this stuff is kind of bad. So. Just hopefully you guys be safe, get food, because just in case they do like a 2-week shutdown, and just be safe, man. Thank you.